Okay, this is a very short video, hopefully. Just checking in with you all in the middle of Unit 2. Sorry I didn't get this video up earlier, but Unit 2 is a pretty straightforward unit, and I hope none of you are having too many problems. I haven't noticed any yet. So I wanted to talk to you about a couple things. First of all, for Unit 1, all your grades should be in, so if you haven't checked those, go ahead and do that. I graded the discussions. Um, I thought Unit 1 had a great discussion going about your photos on depth of field and lighting and composition. I was very happy with that. I wanted to remind you that you really need to look at this as a discussion. So um, don't just post your pictures, comment on other people's pictures, and do it early so that we can get a dialogue going. If you wait until the last minute, it makes it really hard for a conversation to happen. All right, you need to get in there, post early, and then keep checking back. And I want to remind you, I can see when you're coming in and how long you're spending there, how many messages you're reading, and how many you're posting. And you're really doing a disservice to the other people in the class and to yourself if you're not commenting frequently on people's photos. Okay, so make sure you're doing that. On the Unit 1 quiz, there were some problems. I didn't have it set up exactly right. I fixed that. According to the syllabus, you had two chances to take the quiz, and the highest grade would be your grade. I've gone in and fixed that. Previously, it was set to your average grade. It's now your highest grade. So if that was a problem, you should notice now that your grade would have changed to your highest score, not the average score. So Unit 2 is the World Wide Web, photography in the World Wide Web, and we're working on building a blog. Blogs are a great way to get your pictures out there, get them seen, be able to sort of interact more. You know, you're not just posting pictures, but you're adding text, you're adding logos, and I found, as a professional photographer out there trying to sell my work, I found a blog is a great way to sort of keep my friends, keep editors and clients up to date with what I'm doing, new stuff I'm working on, and it's just another platform to get your work out there. In Unit 2, we were going to share our blogs using the blog aggregator, and that currently is in there. I'm going to go in right after I make this video. I'm going to go in and remove the blog aggregator because it's there's some problem with that. I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but I'm going to try to fix it. Or I'm gonna remove that, and we're gonna instead make a Facebook page. The Facebook page is called J210-10I. That's a lowercase I for internet. That's our section name, and I'll send this to you in an email. We're gonna post our blogs onto that page, and then from there, you should all be. And I assume most of you have Facebook. If you don't, I'm not an advocate for or against Facebook. I know it's popular, but also controversial. But you should at least have an account so that you can go in, look at this page, click on the links to blogs, and look at other students' blogs, and then post your comments on the Facebook page so that we can all see them. All right, so post your comments on about other people's blogs and tell us what you like about them, what could be changed, that kind of thing, and let's get a dialogue going there. I know it's not the easiest thing. It'd be easier if we could do it all on Blackboard, but we need to be able to get out of Blackboard and get into the social media of the World Wide Web, and this is a way for you to get your pictures out there. For myself, I have my portfolio page where I just post my best pictures. It's a quick way for editors or clients to go and look at that page. I also have an archive, which is my Photo Shelter account. It costs a substantial amount of money every year for me to keep that up, but it's a way that people can go in and buy pictures from there. And then, as well as that, I have a blog, which is linked to in the section. I think I sent you an email about it as well. And that's another way for me to get pictures out. Just out on the web, out to clients, out to editors, and out to my friends. And then as well, I use Facebook. And Facebook, it's basically just for my friends, but it's just another avenue for you to get your pictures seen. And you want to get your pictures seen. That's what it's all about. So Facebook is going to be our way to share our blogs and share some of those pictures. As for other blogs, I think in the email I sent you before, I'd like you to be checking out the New York Times Lens blog, as well as my own blog. And if you find any cool photo blogs that you want to share, post them on that Facebook page, make a comment, and let's get this dialogue going, and let's share the stuff that we find. I mean, there are so many images on the web, and I can't find them all. You can't find them all, but as a class, as a group, we can share with each other some blogs that we like. So I'm going to end this here. Just keep it short. But if you have any questions, get at me on Blackboard, and I will see you all soon.